Gian, oo. Talagang siya na lang ang sumagot ng whole. Next question. What has keys? Keys, K-E-Y-S, but can't open a door? Ay, sumasagot ang Ate Jo. Isang matalino pa to. Isang matalino pa. Piano is correct! Ang galing naman. Mga
Piano. Piano, keys.
Hindi po senior citizen po yung muling sumagot.
Pagdiwa namin, tulog pa.
Senior citizen but very stretchable. Next question. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? Nabi? Candle is correct! Ang taray na lang pizza na para sa pambilang piloteo. Kung kaninong kwarto kayo papasok, alam niyo na po. Next question. What has face and two hands but no arms or legs? What has face and no hands but no arms or legs? Ay, dahil talaga magpakabog ng pamilyang ano ba yun? Ang ate naman ni Mau, yes po? Aklak ulit! Ang galing naman! 3 pizza na po, Mau. Sana lang magkatabi kami ng kwarto nila, Mau. Later po natin malalaman kung ano. Next category is General Trivia. Yung mga kapang gabi dyan, yung mga tropa naman, baka naman.
Tulog pa kami, tulog pa.
Question. How many legs does a spider have? Oh, Jello. Nakita ko po si Jello. Siya talaga ang ulit. Jello? 8 is correct. Proud mother. Proud mother. Next question. Friend, para naman may pang midnight stop tayo. Well, kahit man lang tumaas, wala eh. Which planet is known as the red planet? Go!
Jean daw.
Jean.
Mars.
Mars is correct! Lumalaban ang grupo nila ate ay lumalaban. Meron naman po silang 2 pizza. Isang pizza na lang. Tie na po sila. Next question. What is the fastest animal? Ay,
Job.
Job?
Job.
Cheetah is correct!
Ano pa?
Pag nagtaas kayo ng kamay, huwag mababa kasi kailangan mataas para kitang-kita. Oo. Okay, next. Which fruit is yellow and monkeys love it? Go! Ay, sige, pagbigay natin. Ate Ellen? Banana is correct!
Banana.
Okay, next question. Kuya Jules, sasagot po ba? Nagre-ready lang? Nagre-relax. Okay. Which country is famous from the Great Wall of China? Tina Leti. China is correct! Oh, pizza ng pamilya namin.
May pagpizza na sinalina.
Okay, ito. Interesting to. Would you rather, gusto ko lang malaman, there's no right or wrong answer from this. Gusto ko lang, curious lang ako. Tatayo na lang ha. Oh. Ito. Sino pwede tanongin dito? Ang ating makisig na Ginoo, Lawrence. Lawrence, palakpakan po natin si Lawrence. Ang tanong ko, Lawrence, would you rather fly like a bird or swim like a dolphin? Fly like a bird, please explain your answers in 100 words. Timer starts. Timer starts now. Hindi, bakit bird? Ba't hindi water? Yung blue. Oh, tama. Dahil dyan, palakpakan natin. De, joke, may sticker gayan. Next.
Alam anong sagot niya? Hindi ko narinig. Bird daw, bird.
Si Ate Jo, tingnan natin kung anong sasagot ni Ate Jo. Ate Jo? Ayaw, mayroon na pala si Ate Jo. Ay! BFF, Jasmine. Ako tingin ko lahat kukunin ito eh. Would you rather eat only pizza or only ice cream for a day? Oo, para naman sayang naman yung dress mo, pakita mo. Pa-impress ka dun sa katabi mo na. Kunyari hindi mo kakilala, gano'n. Parang kinikilig si Kim. Bakit pizza? May point, baka nga naman pag ice cream ang piliin, walang ice cream. Ate Myra. From Miss Arkong Bato, Binibining Arkong Bato, here's your question. Would you rather be super strong or super fast? The children of our future? Super strong? Bakit? Gusto malaman ni Humanji bakit daw? Kasi super fast na siya. Balanse. Mas maraming energy.